Hello friends, today we start a web designing using multiple tables. Okay, simple web page. I create a simple web page using multiple tables. Last session, part number 5, we designed a simple web page using a single table, but we have some problems in the single table tag web page. Okay, the problem is that we can't provide specified width in multiple columns like this. I won't provide a width in my menu section. Okay, it's have 4 parts: about, home, gallery and contact. So I want provide the same width in these 4 parts. So in my HTML page, here it is my menu section, so I provide a width 200 pixels because I have table in 1000 pixels. So 1000 divided by 4, then I get 250 pixels, and provide all same width in my all columns. So it's look like this. It's a same width all 4 parts. Then after I want the width in sidebar and content. I want to provide a width in sidebar 300 pixels and content 700 pixels like this. So I have content and sidebar column is here. So I put width 300 and I put a width in content 700, but it doesn't set in this width. It's have same width 500. I set 300 and 700, but it can't do in this width. So we design a web page using a multiple table. Okay, this is the wrong way of web designing, but it's provide a knowledge about web page. We have a knowledge about web page before this. This is the header, menu, content, sidebar, footer. Okay, so we have knowledge now. A web page look like this: header, 3 styles, menu, navigation box, home, gallery, cart pricing, our services, inquiry, booking, contact us, and about. Then after, sidebar look like this: login, news events and news card. And content page, these have some cards and SUV cards information. And then after, it's a footer. In these footers, menu, copyrights and design and developed by. Okay, so this is the web page demo, but we design a simple wireframe designing look like this using multiple table. Okay, so we create a simple web page. So we have a folder with demo website folder. Then we if you haven't folder, then right click and create a new folder, and then click drag in sublime text and drop here. So you have left sidebar in the sublime text and you can see demo website folder. Okay, I have multiple pages in the my demo website folder. Now I want to create a new web page. So right on and the demo website folder, select the demo website folder and right click on demo website folder, new file. Okay, then save file in the demo website folder and provide a name: web page multiple table dot, you provide must be extension HTML. So you can see a web page multiple table dot HTML. Now write a code of HTML, enter. So you can get this type one title, provide a title. Then after Now we provide design, we write a code for design, and then some I write a code slowly and run continuously. Okay, so I want this type of design but in multiple tables. So these tables have 1000 pixels in website, so I create one table, and then after tr, then after td. Okay, and I provide a cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, cell, then after I provide a border. You design a web page, you didn't provide a border because we don't need a border in web table, but I want to show a table in my web page, so I provide a border. Save it and open this folder and run it. Open this folder and run a web page, multiple table HTML. Right click, open with any browser like Google Chrome, Firefox, Internet Explorer. Okay, I run a web page in Google Chrome, so I can see a simple table in my web page. Okay, then after I provide a width 1000, so it's a some width like this. Then after this box I want in center design, then align center, then it's align center. Okay, then after we write a code in column. This is our main table, so I write a comment on table for get the information main table. Okay, then after I design a header with 150 pixel height and 1000 pixel of width, so I create also one table. Then after cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, and border for view in web browser, then height, height 150 pixel, then after width 1000 pixel, then after okay, then after we provide a tr and td. It's used for header, so I provide a comment before this table. In comment I write header, so we can search a header table, so we show a header person. Okay, then after we create a new table, so I provide a comment this table for main navigation bar, one page to second page, home, about, gallery and content. I want 5 column. It's have 4 column, but I want 5 column, so I create a new table with 5 column. tr and td. Okay, all time provide cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, and border 1 pixel, width 1000, height 40 pixel. So we can see a menu with 1 column. Now we want a 5 column, then I design column with 5 td, table with 5 td, so we can see a 5 column. Okay, then after we design content parts with sidebar. So I provide a name of table in comment content, then after write a new table with cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, border 1 pixel, width 1000 pixel, height. We provide a height in our content page, but when we design a full web page, then we can't provide a height of content page, because in the content lots of things we have, so the things have some height, so content automatically expand their height. Okay, I provide height 500, and then after we have tr and then td. Okay, so we look like this, but we want 2 column, then provide a 2 td. Okay, then we want a footer parts, so footer have 1 navigation bar, and then after copyright tag, then we provide a footer table. So a table with 2 row, because first row have navigation bar and second row have copyright content. Okay, and I provide a footer cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, border 1 pixel, width 1000, height one row have 40 pixels, 30 pixels, then after second row have I provide a 30 pixels, then total height is 60. So we can see a footer look like this, but in the first row I want 5 column, so I provide another table for navigation bar, then I provide a comment footer name. It's not necessary to provide a comment, but if you see this website after few days, few months and few years, then you haven't any idea of this page, so you can see using a comment. Okay, table tr and 5 column, then td 2 3 4 5. Okay, cell spacing 0, cell padding 0, border 1 pixel, and width 1000 and height 30 pixel. So we can see a footer have 5 column. Okay, but it has some space like this. So what is this? Okay, td haven't any height, so we provide a height in td 30, and second td we provide a height 30. So we can see look like this, perfect. Okay, but all have some border, some space, look like this. So we provide some background, some colors in this web page. But first we set some width. So in this menu table I write a home and save it and refresh it, then see this web page look like this. I write home only in first column, but the another column collapse look like this. Okay, then provider all columns have same width, this all columns. So we have 5 parts, so 1000 divided by 5. Okay, 1000 divided by 5. So how much get it? In 1000 divided by 5, then you get 200. You get 200. Okay, you get 200. If you haven't fastly work in calculation, then open calculator and write 1000 divided by 5, so you get 200 calculation. So provide a width all column 200, so you get a simple fixed width with the 200. But I want a home in center, then I provide align center. And another property is realign. It's I provided top, so look like this in column in home, but I want a middle, then I provide a middle. Okay, so it's look like this. Okay, then after this all properties copy and paste in all columns of menu, home, about, product, gallery, content. Then now we can see like this. Okay, then after we provide some content in sidebar. I write only sidebar in sidebar column, content column, so it's also collapse in right side. So provide the same fixed width in both. Sidebar have 300 and content have 700. So it looks like this. So we can provide a width in any table using multiple table designing. Okay, then after it's for content. I want in center, then provide align center, align center, okay, and I want in top to realign center, then realign center, sorry, top. And it's look like this. This table have same process for navigation bar, so I provide all things are like this. Okay, home, about, product, gallery, and contact. Okay, so we see in footer look like this. I write some text in footer. Copyright. I want a copyright symbol. I want a copyright symbol in footer. So I write some code for copyright and copy semicolon. So I get a copyright symbol. Okay, this is and Depple 2016. Like this. I want this text in center, then alignment center. See in browser, refresh it, so you can see a copyright Depple 2006 in center. Okay, now this is the perfect design of simple web page. I write my page, my web page in header portion. So I look like this, Depple. Okay, then after I provide alignment in TD, not a table, because table already in center. So I provide a center in TD. Okay, now we put some colors and backgrounds. So how to provide a background and some colors in our web page? So we have some web pages background images. So we put some websites background images. So now we find a background image. I haven't like this, but I can search in my computer. I search in my computers for backgrounds. Okay, I haven't like this. Okay, I provide only web page. 1 minute, I get it. I have a web page backgrounds like this type of backgrounds. Okay, then I copy this file, this page, and open my folder, and I create a folder in my demo website folder, ing folder, where my web page located. I create an ing folder and then paste this image in my folder. Okay, and I write a new name of BG. You can't create a new name. You can't create a new name, then don't do it. Okay, but I want a new name BG. Now this background image show in our web page. I want in background image, so I provide a background image in body. So style background dash image them URL counts single quote and provide a folder name ing slash image name bg.png. Then after you can see a background image in our web page. Yeah, I got it. Okay, then now I remove a border in main table. Then after I provide a border in style with some color. Then style properties, border, gem 1 pixel, solid, its style of border solid. Then its color, I provide a color with gray. So we can see a border in gray color. Yeah, I got it. Then after I remove a border from header, so I provide a 0. Okay, then now style, we provide a background color BSCK in background color header, in header BSCK dash color. Gem, we provide a background color sky blue, color name, provide a color name, so it looks a sky blue color in our web page. Okay, then after the head, we want a size of my title full size, then we provide a title of my web page in h1 tag, so it's look like this. But I want to change a color, then provide a color in td, style color gem in sky blue. We check this color is good for sky blue. Yeah, I got a best color. Then after we want in menu, then provide remove border like 0, then provide background dash color with maroon, temporary color provided. Okay, look like this. Then I provide a font color and color white. Then it's provide a font color white. Okay, then we design a sidebar with some color, and provide a background color in sidebar column, so we and remove the border 0. Style background color same, background color is light gray. Check it if it works or not. No, this can't work, so provide a light gray. Then how it is look? Okay, I get it in light gray color in my web page, and I provide a background color in content, style background dash color and dark gray. Then you get dark gray color in content. Okay, then after remove border 120 in footer, provide a background color in footer column, remove 0. background color same, yellow, blue. Then we can see a blue color in my web page and provide a font color white. Okay, WHIT, white. So look like this, and then after provide a background color in my footer copyright content. So style background dash color zen, yellow, sorry, orange. So you can see orange color in background border footer, and I provide a font color yellow. So it's looking good in my website. Oh shit, it doesn't go in footer, so I provide white color. So it's look good better in my web page. Okay, so we provide a background image and background colors in my website. So you can design look like this a web page using multiple tables. Now I want some table in my sidebar, so I design a table, simple table in my sidebar. So in sidebar portion I provide a comment. I provide comment in sidebar, so you can find a sidebar in future, and I provide a comment in content. Okay, now I create a simple table in my sidebar. Cell padding 0, cell spacing 0, border 1 pixel, then 0. Then after we write a code something. Width, how much width? First we have 300 width in sidebar, so we want in center, and we want left right space in sidebar something. We provide a 280 pixel, 280 pixel in table, so we can see look like this. Okay, this is the small thing. Then we provide alignment center, then it's also center. Now provide a height, HEIGST, height 250 pixels. Then it's look like this. Yeah, and I provide background color, then style background dash color. Okay, and king it's work for me. No, not clean. Magenta. Okay, black. So we find a black color in table. Okay, but the table is mixed with menu navigation bar, so I want some space between menu and this sidebar table. So I provide a margin. We have two properties, margin and padding. Okay, but we want a space before table, so we provide a margin. But if we want a space in the table, then we provide a padding. Okay, I want a space before table, then we provide a margin dash top. We want a space before up table but in the top direction, then we provide a margin dash top and provide a sub margin like 10 pixel. First we write a px in style code style. So you one problem we have. Okay, we write a margin top in td, but we need to write a margin top in my new tables sidebar table, so you can get a simple margin from the top. Okay, this type you write I write a sidebar box in the table, but I can't see in it because text color black and the table background color also black. So I change the color property. I change the font color property in white. So we can see a sidebar box text in the my box, and I provide alignment center, align center. Sorry, I also write the center properties in my table, but I provide align center in my td. So column, sorry, td column also sidebar box. Okay, so you can design a simple web page using multiple tables like this. Okay, please like my videos, subscribe my channel, and the most important things, share my videos in your friend circles who want to learn a web designing through my videos. Okay, bye, goodbye.